and the court will find you guilty. All right, state and defense, why should I accept this plea?
It's a good resolution to it.
I need to clear the record, Your Honor.
Yes.
With this one, we had attempted, but we had not made contact with the mother of the child, and that is the reason for the plea as it is, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine, time and money run concurrent, 146 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There should be no contact with Amari Poe and Jasmine Hunt. Court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we can go off the record. From reading this, you don't have the patience or the self-control to be around children and to parent children, based upon what I've read here. And it appears that the only reason why this offer is being extended or was extended is because the state has been unable to contact the child's mother. So this is what I know from my time living on the planet. When you raise your hand to a child in anger, that's not a good thing, because the only thing you're teaching them is that might makes right. You're not teaching them anything. They're just learning to be afraid of you, and they're not learning anything else. And then when they go through life and they have children, they're going to say, what did my stepfather do? Right makes right. And then that's what's going to end up happening. And that's not a good thing. And then when children are young, guess what? They're going to cry. Babies, they cry. They don't know how to communicate, and that's how they communicate. They cry. Guess what? If a child cries, usually, one, they're hungry, their diapers need changing maybe, or maybe they just want to cry because they can't express themselves. And you got to be able to be patient enough to deal with that.
Judge, I would say for him that he's never been to the courthouse before. You're not going to see him again.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go.